Okay, let me show you how this trip really started.
We knew this was gonna happen. Oh, geez, all you can do is laugh. Why be mad? We are gonna try to limp on this blown tire for 12 miles.
I knew better. And I meant to grab a spare, and I forgot.
And we forgot our tools. We meant to grab our tools.
Well, I do have the impact wrench with the right socket on there and everything, an impact gun, so I could zip it off in case we had a blowout, but then I forgot the tire. So I have the tool, but no tire.
Oh my goodness, you are so cute.
We have it. She's like a little kid.
Right?
You feed her, like bottles? I do.
Olivia! Oh, you're eating paper.
She won't eat it, but she will stick it over there in her cheek. Oh, let me have it. There you go. Let me have it. Yeah, you can touch her.
Oh my goodness. I want a monkey so bad. It is just like a child into everything.
She is.
Oh my goodness.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We've had a pretty crazy day. We're doing a 24-hour camping trip. We're here at Chalk Bluff River Resort,
yeah.
And that's in Campwood, Texas. We're on the Nueces River. We got our rooftop tent installed on our little camping trailer that we're still working on, little DIY project. We got it done last night, and we just decided to throw all our stuff together. And we literally said, we heard the Nueces River looked like it was cool. We heard it was really beautiful. I Googled something really quick. It said this place was cool. And we literally just packed up and left. So this is our camp for the night. We got the Smittybilt Xl rooftop tent all set up and got it on the little trailer here. We got our chairs. And I mean, look at that view. I mean, we're just looking at this giant cliff face. It's just gorgeous. And the river's right down there. It's done got dark on us. But we got everything set up for the night, and we're about to go lay down and watch a little movie on the laptop. And I just wanted to kind of show y'all this thing when it's all lit up. We actually found these lights at the campsite next to us. Somebody left. But the actual tent comes with an LED strip on the inside, which lights it up really good. So I don't know if you can see it, it's dark, but we just got the Suburban pulled up next to the trailer here, and there's a wire that runs out the window of the tent down to the cigarette lighter of the Suburban, and that powers the light up here. But I'm going to just show y'all kind of what it looks like at night and how we're going to be sleeping tonight. So we're going to climb up the stairs first here. And there it is, all lit up inside there. So let me climb up. Oh yeah.
I forgot we had this. It came with this charger so we can charge our phones.
Yeah, so this tent comes with a charger. It comes with that LED strip you see up there, which lights it up really good in here. Don't you think?
Oh yeah, plenty of light.
Great. So you can see we got plenty of room, windows. We've got about 20-mile-an-hour winds going on right now, but it's not even bobbling this tent at all, which is good for us. So we'll have a nice cool night. Won't be too hot.
No.
We got our books and stuff for if we want to read in the morning or in the middle of the night. And we got the laptop right there. We're gonna watch a movie tonight. And oh yeah, just in case somebody tries to come up in here in the middle of the night. But yeah, I mean, it's really roomy. It's really comfortable. Tonight's gonna be our first night sleeping in it. So
Right.
first thing in the morning, I'll let y'all know how our night went. And we're gonna watch a movie, eat some snacks, and get some rest, and get up early in the morning and watch the sunrise.
Yep.
And we'll see y'all in the morning.
Night one in the tent. He slept great.
Oh, I slept like a bear.
I heard nothing but toads and a bear snoring all night long. The winds were insane. We had a little storm last night. There was thunder all around us, a little bit of rain, but the winds, I couldn't sleep. I thought we were going to get blown away. And the tent was sturdy. It was just the sound that made me think that I was going to...
It was about 40 mile an hour.
Yeah, and you couldn't feel it inside the tent. You could just hear it outside. The tent's pretty comfortable. I think we decided we'll probably get a another pad to go on top.
Just a 2-inch memory foam.
Yeah, this one did really good though. I was kind of shocked.
Yeah, it is good. I mean, it's fine for what it is. You can sleep on it just fine, but if you want it to be a little more comfortable, we'll just add another layer on top of it.
Right.
And it'll still, even if you put a 2-inch pad on it, it'll still lay down, fold up, and be fine.
Right.
You don't have to worry about none of that. But all in all, it was fantastic last night.
Right.
It held up so good in that. I mean, some of those wind gusts were probably 40 mile per hour.
It was kind of scary for me.
It stayed solid. And I slept like a baby.
Not me. I fell asleep about 4 finally because that stupid toad went to bed. And then I woke up to birds, which you'll see here in a minute. Birds perching on our little stick out here. So
it feels so good in here. I don't even want to get up.
I know.
It's about time to make some breakfast, though.
Need some coffee.
Yep. This is made to go over like a regular sized coffee cup, not one of these. This is almost like a bowl, so it's wanting to fall through.
You can see it though.
How's the burritos coming?
Good, I'm making them crispy now. Just like we like them.
There we go. She's got her coffee.
It's good too.
So it worked out using a Keurig for you? You liked it?
I like it. I think it tastes real smooth. I almost think it tastes better than in the Keurig, honestly.
Yeah. So we just opened up a Keurig cup and poured it in the coffee filter and then just did a pour over.
I think it's good.
Yep. That breakfast looks great. So we're going to eat breakfast and then go ahead and fold up the tent and get everything ready to go. And then we're going to go explore down on the river and where that big bluff is over there. And then there's a petting zoo also. Right?
Yes. Can't wait. We woke up to the donkey. Actually, we woke up to birds. The birds were amazing. I mean, how many birds do you think there were?
A bunch. Flying on the tent.
Flying on the tent. I got a cool video of them landing on the little perches on the tent. And then the donkey started calling.
Yeah.
So, it's been a pretty awesome morning, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. This breakfast is gonna just make my day, I can tell you.
This water is crystal clear. I don't even know if you can see. Oh my goodness.
So this is the first time we're seeing this in the daylight, and it looks gorgeous.
The water is beautiful.
That huge bluff is crazy.
This video is not even going to do it justice, I can already tell.
No. We're just gonna try to catch a few fish and just explore today. We're just kind of checking this place out.
Gonna bring the kids back in a few weeks.
We're gonna bring the kids back and actually do a full camping trip. This is ended up being less than 24-hour trip for us. I mean,
right.
It's a 12-hour trip. Alright guys, so I think we're going to close out the video here. We just did a little bit of fishing and exploring. This river is gorgeous. Again, this is the Nueces River in Texas, and it's just incredible. This whole trip was just sort of a spur of the moment thing that we decided to do. We needed a little getaway, but we were just talking about how it's so easy to lose focus and really forget about what's important in life. And so we just decided, I mean, we weren't ready for this trip. Well, of course we forgot things, and
that's what makes this video more fun.
Yeah, we didn't plan it at all, but that was what ended up being so fun about the whole trip. Was just, it was so spur of the moment,
spontaneous,
and we learned a lot from the experience, and we just had a good time. And so I just encourage you, drop what you're doing and go do something.
And if it doesn't go as planned, just laugh.
Yeah, it'll be great. I promise. You always remember those times when things don't go exactly as planned and it's not perfect. But I think that's it for us today. Hope y'all enjoyed the video and the new camera. Hopefully the quality and the audio is drastically improved. But we're gonna head out now. We're gonna catch the petting zoo on the way out.
The camel and the ostrich.
I saw a camel and a big ostrich over there. I gotta go see them. But we're gonna do that on the way out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Have a blessed day.
Listen to me. Sounds like a dinosaur. Ooh, take it easy, buddy.
Oh, snap.
That sucker will peck your eyeballs out. Look at him. He's pecking himself. God, look at the feet on that thing.